So how do we actually add a Bluetooth device, for example your headphones or anything else that has Bluetooth, to your PlayStation 4? Well, as of right now, the only way to do so is to actually add it directly to your smart TV, because then it's gonna directly recognize it on your PlayStation 4. If you're trying to directly add it to your PlayStation 4, it's not gonna work, just so you know. So basically what we need to do is that we're going to click on this button right here on our TV remote, and then go into home page right here, and then go into settings, and then go into all settings. Scroll down and click on something similar to this right here, and then click on pair accessory. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode by clicking on the power button here, as you can see, and now it should be in pairing mode. So then I'm going to click on OK here. It's gonna search for the accessory, which is fine. So let's see if it can actually find my headphones right here, and then we can connect it to my PlayStation 4. And you can see now this is my Razer Barracuda X headset right here, so I'm just gonna click on it to be able to pair, and then click on pair. And you can see it's now connected. Then what I'm going to do is to just click on this button on my remote, go back to my PlayStation 4, and now the sound will be recognized from my PlayStation 4 here on my Bluetooth headphones, as you can see.